And when I saw all those things, I told myself this is a business that I can actually do. And so this evening, I want to talk to us about how to build a sustainable business. Now, any question that you may have about how to do the BF Suma business is already answered here. That's a plain truth. It's already answered here. So most people, the reason why they don't know how to do the business or they don't understand how the compensation plan works is because we do not read this. Because if you actually read this, I think about 90% of how to succeed in the business or how to do the business is actually tackled here, because it tells you this is how to make money. And so one of the things that I really love doing is reverse engineering, which means now that it is written here, and this is where I am right now, how can I be able to get there? And that's what I actually want to share with us today, because one of the frustrations that I see very many distributors having is growing to a particular point and then stagnating there and then wondering, will I really move? And I've seen it because this is my third year. I've seen it over the past 2 years at two separate levels, at star 4 and at star 7. And I'm hoping that by listening to this, and I really hope you have a notebook with you so that you can write down the things that you learned today. So I'm hoping by the end of this that you'll be able to, number one, find new motivation to do this business, but number two, to be able to start seeing a light at the end of the tunnel, because there are some things that we'll touch on today that you probably have never thought of it like that. I know so many of us are experts at how to sponsor or how to sell. And the truth of the matter is, as a team, as Brilliant Eagles, we are not sponsoring a lot. And so I want to touch a few of those things. And the end goal is for us to be able to build a sustainable business. So how do I define a sustainable business? A sustainable business is one where you need to put in the work now and then it will pay you. That is the thing that we tell all our new prospects and distributors. You know, this is a business where you can be able to build passive income. And today I want to show you how we can make that happen, and at different levels, okay?